Do you know how just in one click you can analyze the full complex Excel data? Guys, sure, everybody of us have already heard about the ChatGPT, but in this case we are going to implement it in Excel. But before, I want to show you the example how it works. In the section K data, I write equal AI ask quotes extract K insights from this data quotes comma, and then we select the full table from which we want to analyze the data. Press enter and in 1 second we get our first result. That is amazing. Let's consider another example. We want to summarize our K data. Let's write again AI ask equal, we select the cell of our content to be summarized. It means that AI already understands the text what we want to ask, comma, and select the cell with the previous result. Fantastic, all necessary info in one click is here. Now the second question. You will ask, how to install the ChatGPT in order to get these functions? To do it, go to section Home and select Add-ins that you can find in the toolbar. In this case, I'm going to add a ChatGPT for Excel that I find a very good one to solve our issue. As soon as you edit it, will appear AI functions. Guys, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.